The next one is nested if else. For example, if you have a series of decision, that is if one decision comes inside another decision, then what we say is we use a nested if else. So for example, if we have one condition here and we have another condition inside it. So we have one if and another if inside it, if else inside it, then it is called as nested if else statement. It could be also inside this else statement. So such series of decisions are called as nested if else. Next is a switch statement. It is like having a parallel set of switch. If one of the condition is satisfied, then it will go over to that branch. So similarly, here what we use is switch, and inside this we will write a variable name or an expression. Then underneath that we will write case, then case 1 followed by colon, then we'll write a set of statement, and under each case we will have what is called as a break statement. Then we will have the next set of statement, and then again we will have a break statement. This will go on till the last statement where you will have a default statement. So if any of these condition is satisfied, for example, if case 3 is satisfied, then these set of statements are executed. Then once it encounters the break statement, it will go below this switch case. Let's see an example of a switch program. It is to simulate a simple calculator. So this calculator is a 4-function calculator. It can do 4 functions: plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we can choose only one among them. So we are going to read in 2 variables A and B and also one operator. So this operator will act as the variable inside the switch statement, and the switch statements will begin with the flower bracket, and case if we have given the operator to be plus, then the two numbers will be added. Then give a break statement so that the rest of the statements are not executed. Then the next is if case is minus, then the difference of the two values will be printed. If the case is multiplication, then the product of the two numbers will be executed. The case is division, then the quotient will be printed. So if you're going to give some other operator or some other value, for example, which is not acceptable by these 4, then it goes to the default statement where it will print that it is invalid. So for example, if I am going to give A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and the operand I am going to give it as star, then the sample output will be, it will print 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the product 6 will be printed. So this is the basic working of a switch statement. It works only for any one matching statement, and once the match is found, those set of statements are executed. If no match is found, then it will go to the default statement, and the break statements will prevent from executing the other set of statements. So writing break statement under each case is very important. Then it is also possible to nest the switch statement, that is you can write one switch inside another switch, and these cases can be arranged in any order. Also we could use characters like or numbers instead of writing this plus, minus, etc. So you could use numbers like this. Then operators and characters have to be given in single quotes.